Can you solve this math problem? Let's find out. The question that we have is, what is 1/4 increased by 2/5? So here, since we're increasing, it means that we're going to be adding. So let's go ahead and write out this problem. So we have 1/4 plus 2/5. So in order for us to solve this problem here, the first thing we need to do is we need to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator. And a common multiple for both 4 and 5 is 20. So down below, we're going to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator of 20. And now for the numerators, we need to make sure that we keep these fractions equivalent, meaning that we need to do the same thing to our numerator up top that we had to do to our denominator in order to get our common denominator of 20. For the first fraction, we had to multiply our denominator of 4 by 5 in order to get 20. So we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 1 times 5, we get 5 for the equivalent fraction of 5/20. Now moving on to the second fraction, where this time we had to multiply our denominator of 5 by 4 in order to get the denominator of 20. So we need to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 2 times 4, we get 8 for the equivalent fraction of 8/20. So now that we've rewritten these fractions with a common denominator, we can actually add these fractions together. Well, our denominator's value is not going to change in our answer. It's still going to be in 20ths. And then we're going to add our numerators. So we're going to add 5 plus 8, which we know gives us 13 for the fraction of 13/20. And since there's no common factor between 13 and 20 other than 1, we can't simplify this fraction. So that means that when we increase the fraction of 1/4 by 2/5, we get the fraction of 13/20. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.